So apparently, nobody buys Dasani during a hurricane.
Never buy it ever.
Or I would buy it.
Oh, don't split the pole!
No. Yes, we do. No, we do not.
Where the measuring cups are.
Sorry. Yeah, we need a little bit more water left.
These are all measuring cups. They're measuring cups. We
not
need to measure
spoons.
spoons.
Good morning, vlog babies. Happy Monday. I'm so tired, but it's time to get up. It is not as early as you think. It is 11, which is actually pretty good because normally I don't get up until like 1 or 2. So yeah, let's start our day. Let's get this room clean. Kind of had a checkers binge last night, so yeah. We're gonna paint today. We're gonna paint. Okay, so we've made some progress.
That's actually a really cool little case. Same case.
I think I'm going to do a little bit more on the tree a little bit later. I need a break. This is a lot of work. I didn't realize how big of a mural I was making when I first started it. My freckles. Do you see how freckly my face is?
Yeah.
It's weird. I'm a Gingy for sure.
It's yourself in the
It's like you want it. So I have like dressing issues today because I'm painting. So, and I hope you guys like the mural so far. But I had to go shop with Val.
Yay, we need supplies.
We need hurricane supplies. We're getting gas first. We need to fill her up. Is it a her or a he?
Her.
Fill her up.
I'm scared.
Are you scared?
I'm scared. It's gonna be crazy.
crazy?
I don't like people.
I know.
Well, they got some
What?
numbers.
People.
People. Oh, don't split the pole.
We got the bars. Let's grab me some tuna. Just in case the power goes out. We have canned food. Get some of these. Oh, wow, they really restocked them. Okay, cool. I get this one. Don't do like I did and open it. So I do this. Chicken bacon ranch. I haven't tried the spinach artichoke yet. I got that one and then I got this one, but I think I'm gonna try this one. Oh, when there's currently a Cat 4 hurricane, everybody comes to Walmart to get their food. Ladies, day 2, what we doing?
Another escape room.
Woo, 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 woo. Definitely doing art heist.
Definitely doing our heist.
All right.
Call, confirm.
Ooh, we got a confirmation too. Who? Oh, okay. Miss Kay? Big emotional support put off. Woo, 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 woo. Whee! Oh look, there's a car out front this time. wall is a little bit more done. I showered. We did win the escape room. It was awesome. It was really fun. We saw the Mona Lisa in the escape room. There was actual like lasers that we had to step over and stuff, so it was pretty cool. But yeah, currently just editing. Been watching some Love and Hip Hop at Atlanta. Love it. Best show in the world. I am thinking that this is gonna be a 2-day vlog again, which is fine, you know. So apparently, nobody buys this on during a hurricane. Never buy it ever. Or don't split the ball. Good morning, guys. It is actually good afternoon. It is definitely later in the afternoon. I'm sorry I didn't vlog for the morning. I was asleep. I didn't wake up till about 2. I already had therapy, so not really sure what I'm gonna do the rest of the day, but come along with me and we'll see. So, I made these things, I burnt them, and they taste like shit now. I did not mean to burn them, but I just ate one that was like super burnt. Oof. Just got done with my meeting from the guest house. It was really good. Now we are going to make these bad boys. It'll be fun. Step by step, let's go.
Can't tell. Put some water on it. Did you lick it?
Okay, what are you trying to do? You are absolutely
Good. I think it's fake. Come here. Hold on. You're not, Zoe. We're in mid. We're in mid. No, it's pink. It's pink. It's pink. It's pink. Okay. Thank God. Because we were gonna mix them together.
But we didn't know if they were both the same color.
But one could be green, one could be pink. But then we had already doubled the butter and the water. Before. Yeah. We don't have any measuring spoons. No. Yes, we do. No, we do not. Where? Where the measuring cups are. Sorry.
Yeah, we need a little bit more water though.
These are all measuring cups. The measuring cups. We
not
need measuring spoons. Yeah.
Okay,
So
what's next?
Okay. Shake dough into 8. In our case, 16 cookie dough balls. If dough is too soft, refrigerate. You know, I actually had a speech impediment when I was a kid.
Okay, so did I, so I get to make fun of you.
How do I? So did I. Because I had a fucking.
And I had to go to a speech therapist.
Question.
Assholes. Empty melting wafers into a clean. And look how they emphasize clean.
Into a clean what bowl? Clean, small, microwave safe bowl. I had a speech impediment too.
I had 2.
What was your speech impediment?
Yes.
I get to make fun of you for that now.
What was your problem sound?
Ours.
So was my brother's.
But I didn't like mess them up how a normal kid does. Like I messed them up weird.
Mine's S's.
Mine's S's.
I can't do the S's.
This is the slippery, slimy snake.
The sap. By the seashore.
Did you have to do that?
Yes.
Oh my God, you have no
My
idea.
dad.
You guys said a plate.
Yes.
There's no
Not
smaller
that big,
plate.
The, right there. Sitting right there. In front of your face.
The one I picked up, it was dirty. Did you want me to use the dirty plate?
This is why we can't do things.
It stopped me as I got the big plate, as I walked across the kitchen with the plate.
This is a group of people that literally pay money to like solve puzzles.
Puzzles and we can't even solve our own.
You know what we're talking? fear big words. That phobia is like a big word. Like
the name of the phobia is a fucking big ass word.
And it's like really.
But I have heard it.
And now that is what we call
the phobia.
irony.
Fuck you. For that.
That's such a teacher moment. Like, come on, guys, what do we call that?
Why don't we do a little 1-2 skidoo and put it in the freezer instead?
What? Yeah. Why don't we just try and. Alright.
I don't know. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Freeze them for 2 minutes.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, because then if I'm wrong, I don't want that responsibility.
It's in the hands. It's a paper.
This happened with us.
Alright. Okay.
So just take it out.
You should show the camera. I didn't know Meredith had the tiniest hands in history. I can't get this on my.
Me and Meredith.